Do let me know in the comment section please whether this can be used on face or not, because I'm in doubt. Just in case you want to see the direct demo of this face pack, you can click on this timestamp or you can watch the entire video. Hi guys, namaste, welcome to Naya Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much, hope you all are doing fine. Okay, just in case you want to follow me on Instagram, this is my ID and I'm not very active on Instagram, but yes, if you have any query regarding any product or if you want me to do a specific product review, you can let me know and I will try to do that. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Today I have with me 5 products from the brand Khadi Natural, and I don't think 5 products can be called a haul, but I don't mind calling it a haul. Okay, so 4 are face packs and 1 is a lip balm, and I didn't know that Khadi also has lip balm. So this is the lip balm. So I'll talk about these products one by one. 3 are face packs in a steel container. The containers are so cute, adorable. Okay, so this one retails for 140 rupees and this is 50 grams in quantity, and I'll talk about these one by one. This is the Khadi Rose and Orange face pack. This says this has rejuvenating properties and this has cooling effect. So now as summers are already here, so if you have an inflamed skin or if you have a sunburnt skin, you can use this to get instant cooling on your face. And the ingredients this has are, this has sandalwood extract, this has rose petals, this is aloe vera, neem, multani mitti and orange peel powder. Okay, so this is the first one. This is the second one, and this is the Khadi sandalwood powder. And sandalwood powder is also known to treat suntan, and also this keeps the texture of your skin very soft and smooth. And the ingredients this has are, this has mulberry extract, aloe vera extract, sandalwood powder, brahmi, multani mitti and basil, suhaga and suhaga. Yeah. So this is the third one, and this is the Khadi neem face pack. And what all this has, this helps your skin to get rid of toxins, and also this prevents acne, or if you have any acne on face, you can apply this. This will help in drying out your existing acne and will also prevent further onset of acne or pimples. So neem is very beneficial, and I'll be trying out the neem one today. So this has fuller's earth, neem oil, tulsi oil, tea tree oil and lodra. Lodra is an Ayurvedic herb which is very beneficial to treat skin infections. So upon opening, this is how it is, if you can see. This comes in a packet kind of a thing which is neatly rubber band. I think once you start opening, you can just tear this packet and just pour it inside, and then you can use this. This smells exactly like Margot soap. Like if you use Margot soap, this smells exactly like this. And all these 3 ingredients have the base of multani mitti, and multani mitti is extremely good for skin when it comes to summers. If you get prickly heat, if you get boils, multani mitti is one of the best things you can lay your hands on. So, and rest are these 2. Once you remove the outer cellophane, then you will find this tape. So this is the sandalwood one, and this is the rose and orange one. They all look the same. Smell wise, okay, this smells like orange. Sandalwood one smells like sandalwood, of course. Okay, I thought this is a face pack as this lady is applying a tulsi pack on her face. So, but obviously, like anybody will think this is a face pack, but no, this is not a face pack. When I bought it home, it's written that this will get rid of, this will give you immunity and will give you health, and this is for respiratory conditions and everything. So I thought, how the hell is this going to help with my respiratory conditions if I'm going to apply it on my face? But no, this is, you are supposed to drink this with water. Now I don't know, this says this protects your, nourishes your heart, skin, relieves stress and everything, but I don't know whether whether you can apply this on face or not. Do let me know if you know, like if you can apply a edible tulsi powder on your face. I don't know. This comes in a packet like this. If you cannot apply this on face, then why is there a picture like this? This is so misleading. People like me who are always in a hurry to pick stuff and put it in the bag, they'll definitely buy the wrong product. People like me. Yeah. So I don't know. Please enlighten me on this and let me know whether I can use this on my face or not. Because I would want to use a tulsi face pack, because during summers my skin creates havoc. Okay, so this is the last product, and this is the chocolate lip balm. This is actually a chocolate with beeswax and honey lip balm, and this has UV protection. So if you apply this, your lips will be protected from the harmful UV rays. And also this has beeswax, this has a shea butter, almond oil, and honey, and carrot seed oil, aloe vera extract, apricot oil, coffee bean, grapeseed oil, and base. Yeah, these are the ingredients, and this retails for 100 rupees, 99 rupees, and this is 5 grams in quantity. Okay, so I'll open this. Wow, this looks really pretty, and the expiry is mentioned over here as well. Oh, it has a typical cocoa butter kind of a fragrance. I loved it. So let's see. No color at all. Yeah, no color. This has no color at all, but this does give a slight shine, and I can see myself using this because the fragrance is also very mild and very nice. It smells like cocoa butter, like if you have used the Himalaya cocoa butter lip balm, kind of that fragrance, but it's not very strong, it's very mild. Okay, so these are the 5 products which I purchased from Khadi, and I'll put the link in the description box just in case you want to buy. I won't be ending the video right now, though it sounds as if I'm ending the video, but no, I'm not ending my video right now. I'll be showing a demo of this face pack, and yeah, and I'll end my video over there near the wash basin. I'll end my video, so I'm winding up from here. Okay, so that was it. I'll see you guys next time with another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all. Okay, so I don't know how this camera got tilted. I mean, I don't know how this happened. So here I'm mixing the neem pack, and I'm mixing this with water. You can also add milk if you want. If you have extremely dry skin, you can add milk, but I chose to use water because I don't like extremely oily skin. Yeah, so I'm mixing it up with my finger. So here I am without my makeup, and I'm applying this pack. This is very smooth in application, like this it's very easy to apply this pack. It's not a thick pack. Okay, so now I have to let it dry for 10 minutes, I suppose. Yeah, 10 minutes. Okay, so within 5 minutes I think this starts to dry up. As you can see, dry patches on my face, and it's been just 5 minutes. Waiting for the entire pack to dry, it feels like an eternity. Like, you have to keep waiting, but trust me, this pack really dries off very quickly. Yeah, so it's about to get dried. Okay, finally dried, huh? So I'll be just washing it off. Yes, and this comes off very easily, as you can see, and no irritation, no rashes, nothing. Your skin won't feel anything while you're applying this pack. It's very it's very good. Yeah, I'm not getting a proper word. Yeah, all right, so my face is looking quite fresh. If you can see, I thoroughly liked it a lot.